Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana Hobby Guy. And if you notice today, there's something missing from the background over there. My LaserMATIC is gone. My Mark II 30 watt, gone. And the reason for that is because today we just got the LaserMATIC XW in the shop. Something I've been anxiously awaiting. And this thing over here is huge. And that camera has a certain kind of lens on it where it doesn't really show you the length and width of this package. And it was 62 pounds. Quite an effort for me to get this into the shop by myself, especially since I only have a small walkway between my 8-foot table here and my 3-foot table there and the shelves on the wall. So just a small walkway. I had to flip it gently on its side to get it through here, and even now it's a tight fit. But we're going to get started today. We're going to unbox this thing and take it out for its first run. Okay, so we're going to get started. I have my unboxing knife. This is courtesy of Patrick from Light Source Engraving. It's a beautiful knife. And there is the side. Really, I can't really get these things in the video. Okay, there we go. So that's the side of it right there. And the next thing I'm going to do is cut this open. I'm going to give myself 3 minutes and 28 seconds to get this done because I wrote a song about this. So we're going to start, and it's 3 minutes and 28 seconds long, and see how this comes out.
All right, come on, let's go. Rich the Hobby Guy. Yeah, the Hobby Guy is in the show. Introducing the revolution, fresh on the scene. The LaserMATIC XW, every maker's dream. From Roly automation, here's the latest gear. Precision and innovation, we bring it here. Cut bigger, faster, and better than ever. Join us now as this venture we endeavor. From delicate art to the deepest cuts, the LaserMATIC XW, leaving no ifs or buts. It's a new dawn for creation, built for crafters, filled with elation. Clear the stage, explore, take flight. The LaserMATIC XW shines so bright. See the lines it etches, sharp and precise. With power and speed, it slices like ice. Roly's promise in each design so fine. With LaserMATIC extra wide, you're gonna outshine. Unbox live, feel the excitement, it's about to arrive. Peeling back layers to reveal the core. Every maker watching, eager to explore. Touch of the button, watch it come alive. Magic in motion, it's time to thrive. With every feature, every new find, we're pushing limits, redefining the grind. Zoom in close, see the details emerge. Crafting dreams on the verge. Custom designs in the blink of an eye. LaserMATIC XW, give it a try. Clear the stage, explore, take flight. The LaserMATIC XW shines so bright. Let's celebrate this landmark day. Unleash your potential.
So that doesn't help, having the shoulder surgeries, because I had 2 rotator cuffs done and a bicep reattached. And it makes it hard for me to lift up above my waist. So I think what I'll do is take the plastic off. How are we doing on time? So that song is long over. Couldn't do it in just a couple minutes. But let's just go ahead and peel some of this off. All right, so here comes the fun part, getting it from this box to that table. And here we go. I'm gonna try it. Keep in mind this table is high up in the air at the same time. So just gonna check inside the box, because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a honeycomb in here. Yep, and there is indeed. So I will get that honeycomb out, and this is a sturdier honeycomb than with the Mark II. With the regular Mark II, there's a stand in the center. So I think that's it for the box. I can go ahead and close that up and get it out of the way. I'll get my little package of wrenches. I get this a little better on the table. That's looking pretty good like that. Okay, so the indestructible Chinese plastic. And the M12 is the name of the SD card that comes with it. And it says Roly laser on the other side. Really nice SD card. And I think that's probably because some people said that they couldn't read the other one. So, because it was silver. But we'll go ahead and take these packaging screws out. And there's going to be 6 of these. Okay, so this one had a little pressure on it. Didn't want to come out very easily. It's 3 on each side. There's the first 3. And that's the second 3. So now we can open this up. Wow, that's a wide door right there. And there is a packaging bar here. So this bar has to come off as well. And those screws are on the inside here. Oh, they're on the outside. So we'll take out these 4 screws now. I love these new screws that they're using as well, because they have a deep socket in there where you put the Allen wrench, so you can't really strip these. Okay, that's done. At this point now, we should be able to take this out. Maybe if we just turn it all the way around like that. Now we're able to move that. All I did was turn it. Okay, so that part's out. This can now come out. Got the silica absorbers there. And we've got one in the back here. Just turn it. And this one comes out. All right, this is what I was talking about earlier. I'll take a photograph of it and put it up on the screen. This is the new standoff for the honeycomb bed. And I know you probably can't see this in the video, but instead of having 4 standoffs for the bed, there are now 5, one in the middle, which is a great idea. And this does have the removable bed. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is run that hose out the back for the air line. There's a little hole way in the back, and I'm just gonna stick this through. Sometimes this can be a pain in the butt, and other times it goes straight through with no problem. I'm gonna say I'm gonna put a little tilt on this so I can feel if it's coming out or not. Okay, so I can feel it right there. And I think what I'll do is take a pen, and I'll stick a pen in there to try and get it lined up in the hole itself. And that works really well. So I stuck my pen in the hole and pulled it right through. And you want to make sure you don't kink this hose. So right now I've got it sort of kinked. There we go. Pops right in place like that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, I don't have box number 2 yet with the laser module. So we're going to go into Lightburn instead. And in Lightburn, first thing I have to do is plug in the USB drive. I called it a SD card earlier. It's a USB drive. And we're going to come over to the laser tab over here. And on devices, going to click on that. So we're going to do devices, and we're going to do import. And now this is going to be on the Roly setup drive. And here it is right here. Roly LaserMATIC MK2 XW. So I'm going to say open to that. And you see that it just showed up down here in the bottom. So I can actually double click this and just come in here to this screen and get rid of this part, so it'll make it easier for me to find. And I'm just going to edit this and get rid of some of the words here. XW, that's good enough. LaserMATIC XW. And just say next, next, and finish. And say OK. Now I can turn on the laser. And let me switch back over to that screen. And I'll hit the power button. So now it did not... Oh, hang on. There it goes. It did automatically home. Okay, good. But it homed for a different machine. So I will show you the machine it homed on was the LaserMATIC 30. So I'm going to pull this drop down menu, come all the way to XW and click on that. And there we go. And that just homed again. So now we should have full control if I go to the map icon and move it somewhere. Even though we don't have the laser module, and that air hose sort of got in the way there and stopped it. So we'll just put it back here for now. I'll do this one more time. Back in Lightburn, I'm going to click home. And there we go, that homed perfectly. Now I'll come back and click on the map icon here, and I'll send it way over to the other side. And then I will click home one more time. So you can see that worked just perfectly. So now it's all set up in Lightburn, and that's it. So that's really about it for this video, for the unboxing and first setup. And it was really very, very simple. There wasn't much to do. Remove a couple screws, import a file that came on the drive to get the Lightburn settings, and that's all. Plug everything in and go. I wish I had the laser module. I could run the first test and show you how this works on a big project, but I will do that in another video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
All right, come on, let's go. Rich the hobby guy. Yeah, the hobby guy is in the show. Introducing the revolution, fresh on the scene, the LaserMATIC XW.